Ever wonder what happens when you mix extensions, context, and commands in Copilot Chat? You have seen what each can do alone, but when you combine them, Copilot stops being just an assistant and it starts acting like your AI advanced coding partner. In this video, I'll show you how this combo helps you generate tests, build feature, debug faster, and refactor safely, all without leaving VS Code. Think of it like this. Extension connect Copilot to the right tool and environment. Context tells exactly what part of your project to focus on. Command tells what action to perform. When these three work together, Copilot doesn't just an assistant. It understands your project and takes smart action instantly. Alright, let's see what that looks like in the real world scenario. Writing unit tests often feel repetitive and time consuming, but combining all three makes it effortless. Here type workspace test product.js. Here's what happens. At the red workspace, understand your project structure, /test create structured, ready to run unit test, product.js file, ensure the tests are generated for the correct file. Copilot then generates the test directly in your chat, so you can review them, and once you are happy, just say, save this test. It'll create and store the text file for you. Pretty neat, right? Starting something new usually means setting up files and writing code manually. With Copilot, it's instant. Here's what happens. At that workspace triggers a new file creation. /new instantly generate it in your project. Auth middleware.js set the file name. Copilot instantly create the file and you are ready to jump straight into enhancing the logic. Debugging can be frustrating when log don't tell you much. Try this. Behind the scene, Workspace activate Copilot to analyze the entire project, fix, find and resolve the issue. Product.js tell Copilot which file to focus on. Copilot scan the file, pinpoint the problem, and suggest how to fix it, turning a slow debugging process into a quick one. Refactoring means cleaning up or improving code, and that can be risky if you don't see the full picture. With this combo, you can refactor confidently. Here, Workspace give Copilot full context across your code base. Explain breakdown what the function does and how it's structured. The refactor and show all usage part tell Copilot to analyze dependencies and guide safe updates. Copilot helps you refactor confidently, understanding the function and its impact before making any changes. So now you have seen the magic combining extension, context, and commands. This is where Copilot truly shines. And don't miss the next one. We'll dive into how to debug even faster with Copilot. Next time, try mixing them and watch how much faster and smarter your workflow become. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your dev friends. See you there.